In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts in Figma. The process depends on whether you're using the desktop application or the browser version, but don't worry, it's actually very simple once you understand how it works. First, it's important to know that Figma already includes the entire Google Fonts library by default. So if you're using popular fonts like Inter, Roboto, or Poppins, you don't need to install anything. They're already available inside Figma. Now, if you want to use a custom font that's not included in Google Fonts, the easiest method is to use the Figma desktop application. This is the recommended approach because the desktop app automatically detects all the fonts installed on your computer. All you need to do is install the font on your system. You simply double-click the .ttf or .otf file and click Install. Once the font is installed on your operating system, restart Figma. When you open it again, the new font will appear in your font list, ready to use in any design. If you're working directly in the browser version of Figma, there's one extra step. Browsers can't access your local system fonts by default, so you need to install a small utility provided by Figma. Go to the Figma Downloads page and install the font installer, also known as Figma Agent, for Mac OS or Windows. Once it's installed, refresh your Figma tab in the browser. After that, your locally installed fonts will become available inside the web version, just like in the desktop app. For teams using organization or enterprise plans, there's an even more powerful option. Administrators can upload shared fonts directly into Figma so that everyone in the organization can access them without installing anything individually. In the admin panel, under Resources and then Fonts, admins can click Add Font and upload the .ttf or .otf files. Once uploaded, those fonts become available to all team members automatically, which is extremely useful for maintaining brand consistency across large teams. If you ever install a font and it doesn't appear in Figma, make sure the file format is supported. Figma only supports .ttf and .otf formats. If your font is in another format, it won't be recognized. That's it. Whether you're using the desktop app, the browser version, or managing fonts at an organization level, adding fonts in Figma is straightforward. Once set up properly, you'll have full control over typography and brand consistency across all your design projects.